Mama, where are you?
Here.
Where? In your room? Do you know what you're wearing today?
I don't know. Can you help me out?
It's gonna be like really hot at the beach today. I think I'm gonna go with this pink bikini today because kind of matches my nails, I guess. My mom is wearing a Pac-Man hat to the beach.
You washing money by those hats you don't wear.
That's because you're wearing them.
No, because I bring here.
Oh, this outfit doesn't really match.
Who cares?
Yuji. It's Yuji, right?
Oh, Iju.
Oh, Iju. Oh, sorry. Taking the train to Fulong is the next stop, so that we should be there soon.
What's wrong with my hat?
It looks funny. Can you put it down properly? Like this.
No one pushed my
Look,
hat.
Mom has Pac-Man on her hat. Pac-Man. Turn around. Alright, so we're gonna go to 7-Eleven. What?
It's fine.
No, you're gonna eat now. No, we're eating later.
It's fine.
You wanna eat now?
No, I'm just.
Oh, okay. Just joking. Anyways, we're gonna go to 7-Eleven first. We'll get some snacks. Oh. They look cool. Whoa.
而且是倾盆大雨哦。
什么时候才好天气？
对呀。
So my mom is enjoying herself over there under the umbrella, but the water's not very deep, so I decided I can actually bring my phone and camera over to the ocean. My friends are over there in the water. Hi, hello! Oh my god!
From the water.
Yes! Yeah, mountains, ocean, temples. Jeez, they're really good. What happens when it rains? Like, it just disappears? Oh, I was like, oh, probably, yeah. Because like, sometimes it rains unexpectedly, you know? It's so tragic. It's huge, though. You should wash all of it off, Mom.
The what?
My mom's allergic to the sunscreen. She's getting rashes from the sunscreen. Do you watch your scenes, Thomas? Do you watch them?
No, I
You don't watch my vlogs? You're in quite a few scenes, you know?
Really?
Yeah! This is Sam's mom, my mom. Sam's mom watches my videos, so I was like, okay, why not, like, you know?
Okay.
Have you in the video as a feature. Sam, come on,
Hi.
mom.
This is my mom. She brought us mango cake.
Yes! So cute!
She's here for the first time eating dinner.
Yes!
And she's so shy.
Oh, so cute! It's my mom.
We brought our moms together. We did this. We put our moms, we made our moms meet each other.
I know, right? This is what we decided to do.
This is what we decided to do.
Yeah, right? So, anyway, and then there's Thomas.
I don't have a mom.
Yeah, he didn't bring his
bring
mom. This is the bring your mom party. He didn't bring your mom. But anyways, yeah, so we'll have this.
So you have to pay for dinner.
Yeah.
I like how my mom treats you the same way I treat you. It's quite funny, actually. The status of my room, still super messy. I have a lot to clean.
Yes.
Alright, fine, I'll eat a grape.
You have to eat a grape.
我今天的也没有吃。
为什么？
我不喜欢这个，我不喜欢有蛋黄的，所以。
Steph also came. He also did not bring his mom. This is a bring your mom party.
I'm his mom.
Are you?
Yes.
You
I
are
birthed this man.
from your.
No. From my ass. Like, pooped him out.
Ew, disgusting. What?
He is a compilation of bad fries, some onions, and like a burger.
Ew. Man, Steph can no longer be my vlog. late, sorry. Oopsie. We're at the brunch place waiting for Bruna and Barbara.
You are late.
Yeah, I'm early. Strangely,
Wow,
I
so
know.
weird.
I was 10 minutes early and I was like,
I expected to be alone here.
yeah, true, right? Usually you're the one on time early. But yeah, anyways, we're at this cute little brunch place. This is the last time I'm gonna see Barbara for who knows how long. I don't know, I'm probably sure. You know, I'll see Barbara sometime in my life. This is the place. It's very cute. Oh, wow, I feel like super cute in here. Girl. Barbara made it. Yay. God, this is Barbara's last time on the vlog. Do you have any final words you would like to say to everyone?
I mean, I have a lot. You can just check the later.
Okay.
I put in your bag.
Oh,
No, the later I put in your
oh,
bag.
leave a letter.
Yeah,
Wow.
you can just read it.
Alright, I'll read it on the vlog. Like, dear Annie.
Yes, it's a love letter, so maybe don't read everything.
Okay,
it's
just
a bit
few
personal.
Okay,
and
sounds
intimate.
good. Oh, alright, I gotta keep my private life.
I talk a lot about this moment we share in your room. Remember, like the other night.
Oh, that one we can't
I
speak
share
about
a
that
lot
one.
about this night.
That moment.
Yeah, when we were both, you know, naked. And so that's what I wrote in the love letter. Yeah. Hopefully, it will remind you good memories of me.
Yes, you will be missed very much on this vlog, Barbara. Hopefully we'll see you again at some point somewhere. I don't know if it'll be France, Taiwan, Canada, Ireland. I don't know where you'll be, but somewhere at some point.
Oh, I was looking at here. I need to look at here, right?
I look at here.
Stupid now. Oh, okay.
Bye bye, Barbara.
Bye. It was an honor to be on the vlog.
Yes, yes. And there's Bruna. So my mom and I, we are in Jiufen now, and we're just gonna spend the next couple hours here, watch the sunset, go to a tea house. My mom is like inside the store right now, just shopping. But yeah, it's still empty, honestly, as it was many months ago when I came here back in the summertime. Yeah, it's my mom's first time here, first time in Jiufen, and we're in a clothing shop. I mean, it's nice when you wear leggings, you know. This must take video for you, you know? It's good. Mama, what do you think of Jiufen?
No, actually.
So hard to impress.
Okay, it's nice. It's
Oh
nice.
my goodness.
It's
so
nice.
hard.
Look at that peaceful ocean
So
view.
hard to impress you.
No, I'm just can't take the heat. Yeah.
Not used to the
Can't
humid,
take it.
hot weather.
Yeah.
But it's not even hot today, it's cloudy and rainy. So I'm obviously not in my apartment. I haven't moved out yet, but I will be moving out next week. I'm actually at my mom's friend's countryside house, and it is so nice here. Like, please let me show you. It is actually beautiful here. They have such a nice like mountain countryside view. This is all just like rice fields, and yeah, it's like just absolutely stunning here. So, and this is the little bathroom that they made. It's super cute. But yeah, so I'm just here for the day to hang out with my mom and her paños, her friends. So yeah, should be fun. And this is the fit for today. So I feel like I haven't really updated you guys as to what's really going on right now, but basically I have 3 weeks left in Taiwan, and then I have to move out of my apartment in like a couple days actually, and my mom is leaving in a couple days. And then I'm here for another 2 weeks to just like chill. I don't have work. My work finishes next week, and I can just like chill, say goodbye to all my friends, travel around Taiwan a little bit more than I already have, because I have gone to a lot of places since I've been here for the last year. Also need to see my grandparents and say goodbye to them. So yeah, it's kind of been like very, very, very busy. So yeah, I've been very busy, and it's just kind of been like non-stop, just go, 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 go. So yeah, I'm like, I am excited to go to Canada and just like take a little breath, you know, like a little, but yeah, no, I am excited to go home, see my dad, see my brother, see my friends, but I'm also really going to miss my friends here and like everyone that I met here, because like, I don't know, I've met like a lot of really cool people here. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs and we can go meet my aunties. I mean, they're not my real aunties, they're like my mom's friends, but you know, I'm just gonna call them my aunties because that just makes life easier. So let's go. Wow.
久。
Took so long.
哦，带你去玩啊，带你去玩。
哦 ，lunch time is at 12:30.
Okay, so
in the restaurant.
So we wait here, right? I can do some video. I want to download some stuff on my laptop.
Mom, house is very pretty, right?
It's the prettiest house I've seen in Taiwan.
Most pretty.
Yeah. Is it 比你美？
比你美
No, 不是比你美，比较美。
最美的。
最美哦，
比较美叫特别 pretty。
哦，最美。
Most beautiful。
最
美的房子。
So these, you guys are sisters, and then my mom. So how long have you guys been friends for?
40 years, right?
40 years?
Yeah, actually it's really 40 years. 41, yeah.
Gosh, 40 years, so long.
有吗？有。
It's longer than.
Yeah, 我56扣掉。
Oh my goodness, 40-year friendship right here. This is what it looks like. 40-year friendship. Wow, very cute, very cute.